Hello viewers, are you experiencing WhatsApp cannot record voice message during a phone call error problem? Actually, this problem only occurs when you are talking on another platform and recording voice message at the same time. You cannot talk and record a voice message at the same time. If this problem still occurs after not talking on any other platform, then I will show you now how to fix this problem. So let's start. First of all, swipe down notification bar and then turn on flight mode for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn off flight mode. After turn off flight mode, now find WhatsApp and then tap and hold on WhatsApp. Now open WhatsApp app info. Just click on I button or app info. Now scroll down, tap on storage. Now clear cache your WhatsApp storage. Just tap on clear cache. Now press on back button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Now go back to home screen. Now press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, your problem will be solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.